Hello everyone. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day I just look the chart, analyze and give you a short-term price direction for day trading to make some extra daily income and long-term direction for swing trade with bigger profit potential. Every day if you look at the CNBC or Yahoo News with a ton of bad news out there, the record unemployment, the record fast spending, the record market crash in history, and finally, this can be a fast step of recovery also. The market will do whatever it wants to do, and it had nothing to do with the financial news out there. As a trader, we just focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. If the market is in uptrend, we will stay in the uptrend. Until it reverses to the downtrend, then we will short the market. If you learn how to understand and read the price chart, and use modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology as well as human emotion, you will be understand the market clearly. Compare to whom out there don't know and yet rely on the bad news or someone else to manage their own money or try to gamble by themselves. This is the right time for you to wake up and learn. This is the only survival skill that you should have so that you can manage your own financial future and support your family. Right now, if you look at the chart, you can see that on the left side that the SBY, that the Spider SB 500 ETF. If you look at the chart right now, as you can see, the market the last 3 days it goes sideways, and then it try to buy the time, and then on Friday they break out and continue to go higher. Okay, in the short term on the E-mini SB 500 future, you can see that the market it go back, they put down, they come back and continue to make it high low in the uptrend. So at this moment, the market it still have momentum to go in the upside. Because remember on the March 23rd, I call out the market bottom right here. And since that day, a lot of people keep thinking that the market it go lower. But every day the market it keep pushing back higher. As long as the market is still in the strong momentum, high, low, the trend is still going up. But remember, the market it have been fast recovery from the top to the bottom here. So the market it never goes straight up. At some point, probably around here, we have to be careful because at that time, where a lot of people that they show up their position right here, right now when they see the market it come back up and then they jump right back in, that's where the trouble coming in. But the bottom at this moment, I think it we in the bottom of this correction cycle. So even though if we go up here and then we correct, we have to correct and then we continue to go higher until the year ends. So technically, based on the chat, okay, anything change, we will let you know. So look at the all of the other indexes. You can see they also gain momentum with the upside. So we still have more room. The Dow is upside. The Nasdaq is one of the strongest in the sector right now. The Nasdaq is very strong. They almost recover all the lot since February, and then they continue to gain some momentum in the upside, even though we are uh, uh, almost get to the resistance area. So we have to monitor to see how much more energy they can get up to this level. And the Russell 2000 that you can see, they all try to catch up. They are a little bit fall behind, but they also try to catch up last week, try to put it back higher also. And right now, the goal in the short term, it's a little bit bearish, but in the long term, it still have some momentum in the upside. And for the oil, since we call out bottom when it hit to $6, and now they put it back up, and then they try to hang up here, and then probably they try to fight to put it back up one more leg before they will have some correction. And the euro, right now it try to hang up at the support here, and probably try to find a way to put it back up. The bond market is getting weaker, and after a three-time attempt to break out the upper trend line, couldn't do it. So right now they break out the upper support trend line. So the momentum is shift in the downside right now. So the people maybe take out the money from the bond market and then put into the stock market. Okay, if that's the case in the market, you have more room to grow. And the last thing here is the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin after run up to 10,000 mark and could make it higher. And today they drop back to almost 8700 right now. So they will correct a little bit and then find a way to push back up one more to complete the whole move from the bottom to the top. So right now, this week, the market rotation, the two sector that you should focus on, that a retail and the theme park, like Disney, after if they allow to open again, Disney will try to find a way to go back up, and a lot of retail store that open that will benefit the retail sector, and like Verizon, like Apple, like Bed Bath and Beyond, because those things, Best Buy, and those kind of retail store here, they will try to find a way to go higher. Okay, so show you a couple of them. Okay, so this week, so those retail store that should be rebound after they allow the business to open back up. So you should focus on those sector, okay, auto parts and the retail, because that sector they fall behind. So now they try to catch up. So this is what I have for you this week. And if you like what I'm doing for you here, please give me a thumb up and sign up by clicking subscribe button below on the YouTube, so that every time I'll have a new video, I will post it and let you know, so that you know where the market heading to. And then during the week, I also update so that you know where the market is head up. And if you want to learn more how to understand how to read in the chart, how to analyze the market by using the modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And thank you for watching. And I will see you next week.